The best foldable mattresses offer a convenient, space-saving solution for guests, travel, camping, dorms, and small living spaces. With options ranging from Trifold memory foam designs to portable folding mattresses, they provide easy setup, comfortable support, and simple storage when not in use. Starting at number 1. Milliard Trifold Mattress. The Milliard Twin XL Trifold mattress is designed for premium comfort, featuring high-density memory foam that contours to the body, relieving pressure points and providing full body support. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it ideal for travel, easily folding for storage and transport, making it perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, road trips, camping, and small spaces. The mattress comes with a soft, removable, and machine-washable bamboo cover that promotes airflow to keep you cool and comfortable throughout the seasons. Versatile in use, this trifold mattress can serve as a guest bed, floor mattress, camping mat, or dorm essential, providing a compact yet supportive sleep solution available in queen, full, and twin sizes. It is particularly suitable for those needing an extra sleep space, combining comfort with portability for a quick and easy-to-store sleeping option. Number 2. Olee Sleep Tri-Folding Mattress. The Olee Sleep Memory Foam Mattress is a versatile and compact sleeping solution, measuring 75 inches in length, 25 inches in width, and 4 inches in thickness. It features a dual-layer design that includes 1 inch of cooling gel memory foam combined with 3 inches of high-density foam, providing both comfort and support by adapting to body contours and regulating temperature. This mattress is not water-resistant and weighs 10.7 pounds, making it easy to transport and store due to its foldable design. Ideal for various settings, from guest beds to camping trips, it comes with a washable cover made of 100% polyester gray jacquard fabric that resists wrinkles and enhances durability. The mattress is shipped in a vacuum-sealed package, and it's recommended to allow it to rest at room temperature for 72 hours for full expansion. The product is Certipur US certified, ensuring it is breathable and protected against moisture, dust, and debris. Number 3. Cozzzi 4-inch Twin Folding Mattress. The Cozzzi Twin Tri-Folding Mattress measures 75 inches in length, 39 inches in width, and has a thickness of 4 inches, weighing 14 pounds. Designed with a firm feel and a tight top style, it features a cover made of durable polyester and is constructed with a single layer of high-density foam that provides therapeutic benefits and comfort for a restful night's sleep. This foldable mattress is an excellent alternative to air mattresses, making it convenient for guests, travel, camping, and more. Its lightweight design allows for easy portability, making it suitable for various uses such as a guest sleeping place, temporary bed, exercise mat, or children's play area. Additionally, the mattress is machine washable. Simply zip off the cover for easy cleaning. With its compact nature and versatility, the Cozzzi Tri-Folding Mattress is an ideal solution for those seeking comfort and convenience in various situations. Number 4. Lazyzizi Folding Mattress. The Lazyzizi Twin Foldable Mattress measures 75 x 38 x 4 teeth and weighs 8.69 kilograms, featuring a plush firmness and a tight top style made from skin-friendly viscose fabric. This versatile mattress is designed for multifunctional use, easily transforming between a lounge chair and a bed, making it ideal for camping, yoga, dorms, RVs, and small spaces. It offers quick setup with a specially designed carrying handle for easy transport and can be compactly folded into a travel bag for convenient storage. Constructed with Certipur US certified and OECO-TEX tested foam, the mattress includes a non-slip bottom to prevent sliding and a removable cover for easy washing. Its 2-layer design incorporates 1.5 inches of memory foam for pressure relief and a 2.5-inch support foam for moisture wicking and comfort. The mattress is vacuum-packed for quick expansion, and the Lazyzizi team is available for any service or support needs. Number 5. ROXGOX Memory Foam Trifold Mattress. The ROXGOX Twin Size. Trifold mattress is a versatile and practical solution for various sleeping needs, measuring 75 x 38 xx's this and weighing 10.82 kg. This medium-firm mattress features a gel memory foam fill and a soft polyester blend cover, making it suitable for use as a foldable mattress in small spaces, a guest bed, or even for outdoor camping adventures. It boasts a non-slip base for stability and a breathable knit cover that helps keep you cool. The removable zippered cover is machine washable, ensuring easy maintenance and cleanliness. With 1.5 inches of plush memory foam for pressure relief and 4.5 inches of supportive foam for stability, this mattress offers a perfect balance of comfort and durability. To maximize its performance, it is recommended to allow the mattress to air out for 24 to 48 hours after unpacking and to give it 3 to 7 days to fully expand and reach its optimal comfort level.